Welcome back to Makers Creating. Today I'm going to be making a gift basket for my grand dog. His name is Cooper. So I have purchased these items from Dollar Tree. They're all snacks that he enjoys. And so when he's a good boy, he does get snacks. So I did get him a few toys also for him to play with so that can keep him busy. And I personalized his bowl with his name on there also. So I'm going to get everything dry fitted in to see how I will have for the final assembly. You're going to need some tape. You may need some pop dots. And all these items can be purchased from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some shrink wrap, or you can use a regular basket bag. So now I'll start assembling the items. I try to put the tallest item in the back. The goal is to have everything so that you can see what's in the basket. These are great for if you have a friend or a family member or someone with a dog that you like to give a gift to. Or you can put other items in here such as a bandana, a blanket. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot my shred. But again, as I was saying, you can put other items in here, a leash, a collar. You can put in here other dog food. You can put in here training pads if it's a new pup. You can put in here items for when the dog is being walked, the little bags, the little disposable bags to pick up behind them. You can go so many options with this. But I just chose the snacks and the toys for this basket. So as you can see, I'm placing everything in to get it how I want it for the final assembly. And as I said again, I try to get everything so that you can see what's in the basket when it's finished. So I'm just securing some of the items so that they won't fall, or when the basket is actually open, that items won't just fall out of it. Try to secure it in place. Now, being that my container is smaller than the items that are in there, you do have to secure your items pretty well to try to keep them in place. You could use a basket and put the items inside of the basket instead of using the container. You could use a box. You could use the bottom of, if you were to use like the dog food or something, as the base also. You could wrap it up like a gift and use that as the base. You have many options of how to present this. And as you can see, when one of the toys fell, that's why it's really a good to secure everything in there so it's not falling out. So I'm pretty much happy with how it looks now. So I'm going to get ready to put it in the gift bag. Oh, I'm just going to secure it a little bit more. You never can secure it too much, in my opinion. You want everything to stay in place. So I changed my mind about the shrink wrap and went with the gift bag. I have some puppy paw ribbon that I had purchased. It actually came in a bundle of ribbons that I had purchased. So I thought this would be great for this here basket. So now you want to get the basket items right in the center of the bag. And it'll look a little weird when you're starting off. You're going to use the highest item as where you're going to get the top of the bag secured at. And this comes with a lot of practice to get that to a point where you can secure it and it stays in place. When I first started making baskets, they didn't come out looking like this. Now I'm going to secure the sides of the basket. We're almost there. I didn't want to edit too much out because I want you to see the actual process of how I do this. I really enjoy it, so I don't mind taking my time to get it just right, even if it is for my grand dog. So now I'm securing the bow that I made for the basket. I think this really makes the basket look so cute. Cooper's not going to care about the basket, but I still like how it looks. Leave in the comments what you think. And so we're going to cut that excess off. We're just going to do an angled cut on the top. And this basket is complete. There you go. If you want to see other basket ideas for pets, put it in the comments. I'll be happy to put it together. Here's the finished product before wrapping. Here's after wrapping. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video.